My scooter was screeching and squawking and clunking about. I thought the clutch was going out until I took it apart. Turns out mice were making a mess inside, and the nesting got wrapped around the clutch over time and made it stick bad. This is how I got things apart. I started by taking bolts out of the clutch casing. But it wouldn't come off. There were more bolts behind the air filter. I had to do a little bit of encouragement with a screwdriver, and this is what I found inside. So I picked it out, put things back together, and everything works really great now. And this air tube was an easy route in for the mice, so I pushed some mesh over it in hopes that it will keep the mice out.